never had a girl like you. When we locked eyes, when you passed.
Hey, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are subscribed, welcome back. And if you're not, hopefully by the end of this video that will change and you'll decide to press that button down below. Today we are going to be doing a budget with me and cash stuffing for the second paycheck of December. So let's start with the budget, count the money, and then get to stuffing. So today I'm going to be working with just my number one income, and I'm just gonna say number one. That's gonna be $3,072, and that's the only income I'll be working with today. The first thing I have for expenses is my gas and electric, and I put $100 towards that. Rent, I of course split in half, so I did another $930 towards that. My loan payment, I did $422, and I have some very exciting news in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Of course, I spent on my credit card. So credit card number one and credit card number two. Credit card number one, I put $34, and credit card number two put $317. For Disney, I put $9. For Netflix, I put $13. And Audible, which I need to start using. I have some books, but I haven't finished them. I put $16. And that was it for my expenses. So let's add this up. Okay, so for leftover, I have $1,231 to budget. So for sinking funds got $320. My savings got the automatic $25. Nothing for investing. Extra debt payment got $214. Nothing for savings challenges. Daily cash envelopes got $570, and then my buffer got $100. So let me add this up and make sure this is correct. Okay, and just one small mistake. Savings actually got $27. So I have nothing left over, and that is perfect because that is how I budget for my paychecks. I budget by the $0. So let's go ahead, count the money that we're going to be stuffing today and get started. Okay, so today I have 300, no 50s, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 600, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 800, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 900, 10, 20, 30, 40, 940, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 1,000, 5, 10, 15, 20, so 1,020, 1, 2, 3, 4, so $1,024, and then I have about $77 that I'm going to be stuffing in fake cash as well, because that went to my automatic or my high yield savings account. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start with is groceries for my daily cash envelopes. As usual, groceries will get $160 or $80 for each week. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 20s, 2 10s, and 4 5s, 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to split this up for $80. So that's 20, 40, 60, 75, 80. I did go and already get my groceries for the week. So I'm going to make sure I unstuff this money. I might do another video for that, so we'll see. Next is miscellaneous, and that gets 2 10s and 2 5s for a total of $15 for each week. And I'm interested to see, like, this is my last cash stuffing for the entire year, guys. Like, it's the end of 2023, and I cannot believe how quick this year has gone by. But I feel like some things have worked, some things haven't. Like, my credit card spending is like a little bit more than I would like it to be. There is no but. I was gonna say but, there's no but. My credit card spending is more than I would like it to be, which has caused me to take more money away from my sinking funds. But that also lets me know that maybe I need to plan a little bit better with my sinking funds. So I may have some things to figure out for the new year. But as far as paying off debt, I am so happy with how I did that. I paid off, I'm counting because I'm looking at my board. I paid off 4 debts, and then by the end of this month I will be paying off a total of 5, and I only have 2 more left, which will be my car and my student loans. My car, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to tackle that yet. That's in the 20,000s, and I'm not sure if I want to spend my focus next year on saving more money to invest or paying off my car as quick as possible. Because once my student loans start up and go up next year, I'm not going to have a lot of money to mess with and play with and save. So that's another reason why I needed to get rid of as much of my consumer debt as possible. Because once my student loans go up next year based off my income, I will still be like just making it. So I need to make sure like I have enough money to pay those student loans, but also pay all of my bills and expenses as well. So that's why I had to get rid of all of that other debt as quick as possible. Hopefully, not even hopefully, like there's no room to be incurring any more debt next year. Like not even student loan debt, no other big purchases, not even a piece of bubble gum. Like on my credit card. If I don't got the cash for it, I should not be spending on it. But that's just going to have to be something that I key in on next year, because there is not a lot of room for error or mistakes. And plus I know better, so I should be doing better now. Like I can't make the mistake. Like I can't make the excuse that, oh, I didn't know. I know exactly what it takes to get on the right track to my financial freedom. So I have to make sure I stick to it. As far as like which road to take, that may be a little bit more confusing for me. Pay off my car versus save money for investing. But I know I need to do one or the other. I'm not going to be spending on my credit card. That is not the road we want to be taking. But for gas and transportation, I'm going to do 4 20s and 2 10s. And that should give me $100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. And I'm going to split that up for $50 for each week. I do have to drive to Jersey like today. Today is Saturday, so happy Christmas Eve. I am looking forward to the holiday. I don't really have much planned, but just being around my family and in the vicinity is always a plus and a positive for me, so I'm looking forward to that. Eat out is going to get $100 for each week, so that's going to be 8 20s, 3 4 5 6 7 8, 3 10s, and 2 5s. So I have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95, 200. And I'm just gonna split this up for $100 for each week. Okay, so I definitely want to hear what you guys are doing for the holidays. So comment down below. Let me know what you're doing for the holidays. But also let me know how you're going to like maneuver or change or excel your goals, your financial goals for next year. I'm interested to see like what you guys come up with, because I feel like I'm in a fork in the road and I need to figure out which way to go. I have 2 different budgets for next year. I'm just trying to figure out which one to choose. But let me know what you guys are focusing on next year for your goals. I'm really interested to see. So for self-care, I'm going to do 3 20s, a 10, and 2 5s. So that's 20, 40, 60, 75, 80. And that is just going to stay at home because I don't need to get my nails done until probably about next week. So I'll keep that at home. And that's it for this binder and this binder. Okay, next we're going to do the sinking funds binder. We'll start with the first one. All right, so the first one I have is car. That's going to get $10. And of course, this is the last video of the month, so I'm not going to count it. I am going to count all of my envelopes for the year in the next video. So stay tuned for that video again. Nothing for Rich Auntie. I already bought all the kids their gifts. It's loaded up in the car, so I need to go deliver them like Black Mrs. Santa. Licenses is going to get $20. I need to start, well, I will be having to renew my license next year near my birthday. Vacation is gonna get $30. That'll just be a 20 and a 10. I'm gonna start saving up for my birthday vacation next year as well. Household will get $10. Gifts is not getting anything because everybody got their Christmas gifts already, so I'm done with that. Debt is going to get $214. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is also in real cash, so I need to go deposit this into the bank. Okay. Car insurance, I'm saving up for my next 6-month premium, which will be like June-ish. So we're gonna do $100. Nothing for school, nothing for candle day, and nothing for shopping. Child, we are shopped out for the holiday season, okay? So that's it for this binder. Next is the second sinking funds binder, and we're gonna start with Uma, which is my dog. She's gonna get $20. Weddings is not getting anything. Taxes got an automatic deposit of, or not automatic, I manually did it, but it was a deposit of $50 into my high yield savings account. Renter's insurance will get its usual $5. My Melissa envelope is not getting anything, nothing for bills. P.O. box, that will be getting $25. I did the math and I need to put some more towards this based off of what I put towards my P.O. box last year or this year. So when the time comes next year, I need to make sure I have enough. My savings account got a deposit of $27. So I'm gonna put the fake money in here to symbolize the real money that's in the high yield savings account. Nothing for emergency fund and nothing for C3. So that's it for this binder. Lastly, I have the third sinking funds binder, and we're gonna start with card registration. That's gonna get $5. Amazon Prime, I'm gonna start saving up for that again for next year in November. That's getting $5. Family Fun is gonna get $5. Nothing for retirement. Nothing for Sing It. That's empty, of course. Tech is gonna get $10. My parents will be getting $20. And I believe medical is going to get the last $5. So that's it for these binders, and that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you are not subscribed, you know what to do. You know to press that button down below. It really helps out my channel, but definitely stay tuned for the next video. I have some great announcements, and I am going to be counting all the money that I saved for the year. So go ahead, press that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can make sure you don't miss that video. But until next time, guys, happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.
In your phone and not the one that's fake. One that expect. Just put your number in my